Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Facebook page not found. There may be a technical problem. Refresh to try again. Error on your Android or iPhone. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. Page not found problem. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now click on the apps option and search for Facebook and click on the Facebook. Now tap on the Facebook. Force stops. Okay, scroll down. Now click on the storage, clear cache and clear data, delete. Okay, go back. Now tap on the permission option and allow all permission. Calendar allow, call logs allow, scroll down, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, go back, go to your Play Store and search for Facebook and click on the Facebook and check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated. Okay, and or now uninstall and again install your Facebook app. Okay, go back and go to your Facebook and see. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.